What if I told you that just 1 hour a day, out of the 24 you already have, could completely transform your life? That you don't need a new degree, $1 million, or perfect circumstances. You just need 1 sacred hour every day, devoted not to distraction, but to your evolution. You see, people always say they want a better life. They want more money, more time, more freedom, more peace. But here's the truth most never face. Better doesn't come from wishes. It comes from what you do when no one's watching. And if you'll give just 1 hour a day to becoming who you were truly meant to be, then everything can start to change. Everything. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Aristotle. 1 hour a day, that's the seed. And if you plant it consistently, it will grow into a life you can be proud of. So let's talk about that 1 hour. Let's break it down. Let's make it count. Section 1, why 1 hour matters more than you think. Let's take a moment and zoom out. Right now, you might feel stuck in your life. You've got dreams, goals, desires, but it seems like you never have enough time to actually chase them. Between the demands of work, family, bills, distractions, and responsibilities, your days vanish. And then you lay your head down at night, wondering, where did the time go? But here's a truth that most people overlook. You don't need 10 extra hours in a day to change your life. You just need to use one of them with intention. Let's do the math together, because math doesn't lie. There are 24 hours in a day. That's 1,240 minutes. Now, even if you sleep 8 hours, that leaves 16 waking hours. You're not short on time. You're short on focus. You're short on ownership of your day. But here's the secret the ultra-successful understand. Success doesn't come from doing everything. It comes from doing the right things repeatedly. And when you carve out just 1 hour a day for you, not for your boss, not for your inbox, not for social media, not for other people's opinions, but for your personal growth, everything in your life begins to shift. 1 hour a day in 365 hours a year, that's 15 full days. That's over 2 weeks of uninterrupted effort on building your mind, your body, your goals, and your vision. That's enough time to learn a new language, start a side business, write a book, transform your health, build better habits, develop real self-confidence. And what's more important, it trains your brain to value what you value. It reprograms your identity. It whispers to your soul, I am serious about who I'm becoming. Look, most people live reactively. They wake up late, grab their phone, rush into the day, and respond to life instead of designing it. But 1 hour a day gives you space to flip that script, to lead your life instead of being dragged by it. Imagine this. While the world is busy chasing likes, scrolling feeds, binge-watching shows, you are building your future, brick by brick. And you don't need to shout it. You don't need to post it. You don't need to prove it. You just need to show up daily. Because if you do that, the compound effect will take over. What starts as 1 hour will lead to more clarity, more energy, more progress, more wins. And soon people will start asking, what changed? And you'll smile and say, I gave myself 1 hour a day. That's all it took to change everything. Section 2, the 4 pillars of the power hour. Now that you understand why 1 hour matters, let's talk about how to use that hour powerfully. This isn't about being busy. This is about being intentional. That 1 hour is your gym, your temple, your classroom, your planning room. It's where the most important work gets done, the work on you. I call it the power hour, and it's built on 4 simple, timeless pillars. 1, nourish your mind. 2, strengthen your body. 3, align your spirit. 4, envision your future. Let's go deep into each one. 1, nourish your mind, 15 minutes. Let's face it, your brain is your greatest asset, yet it's often the most neglected. We feed our bodies 3 times a day, but when's the last time you fed your mind? Every day, you're exposed to thousands of bits of information, ads, news, gossip, noise. And if you're not careful, your mind becomes a garbage dump for everyone else's agenda. But when you take 15 minutes to intentionally feed your mind, everything changes. Read a chapter from a powerful book. Listen to an empowering podcast. Watch a short educational video that teaches you something new. Not just entertainment, but education. Not just inspiration, but information that moves you forward. Here's what happens when you do that. You begin to think better thoughts. You start to solve problems more creatively. You respond to challenges more wisely. You unlock new ideas and possibilities. Imagine feeding your mind with world-class wisdom every single day. Over time, your thoughts change. And when your thoughts change, your decisions change. And when your decisions change, your life changes. This is how average people become leaders. This is how employees become entrepreneurs. This is how the lost become found. It starts with 15 minutes of mental nutrition every day. 2. Strengthen your body, 15 minutes. Your body is your foundation. You cannot live a strong life with a weak body. Energy, focus, confidence, endurance, all of it flows from how you treat your body. Now listen, you don't need to spend 2 hours in a gym or train like an athlete. Just 15 minutes of movement a day can activate your body and light up your mind. And you can do it anywhere, no equipment required. You can do bodyweight exercises in your living room, go for a fast-paced walk or jog, follow a short YouTube workout, stretch, breathe, and get the blood flowing. And it's not just about fitness. This daily discipline trains your brain that you are worth the effort, that your health matters, that your goals matter, that your life matters. And you start showing up stronger in every area. At work, you're sharper. At home, you're calmer. With people, you're more present. With yourself, you're more proud. Because nothing feels better than keeping a promise to your own body. 3, align your spirit, 15 minutes. Now we move to the part most people overlook, the soul. You can have the strongest body, the sharpest mind, the biggest house, but if you're disconnected from yourself, you'll still feel empty. You need time to align your spirit, to hear your own voice, to return to who you really are. This could be sitting in silence, journaling your thoughts, talking to God, practicing gratitude, meditating and observing your inner world. Whatever form it takes, this time is where you reconnect to your purpose. It's where you ask questions that matter. Am I being honest with myself? Am I proud of how I'm living? What do I need to let go of today? In that quiet space, you'll find your truth. You'll find your strength. You'll find your next step. And here's the real power. When your spirit is aligned, you stop chasing things that don't matter. You stop comparing. You stop rushing. You begin to live from a deeper place. You operate with calm, certainty, and meaning. And that changes how you show up everywhere. 4, envision your future, 15 minutes. This final piece is about one of the most underrated success habits of all time, visualization. You have to see the life you want before you can live it. Olympians do it. Entrepreneurs do it. High achievers in every field do it. Why? Because your brain needs a target. Every morning or night, take time to visualize your goals already complete. Imagine the version of you that's confident, healthy, focused, and winning. Write affirmations or future journal entries. Feel the emotions of your dream life as if it's already happening. This is not just wishful thinking. It's priming your subconscious to believe, expect, and act differently. When you see it every day, you start walking like it, talking like it, thinking like it. You begin to take steps that match the life you're designing. And even when life throws challenges, you don't panic because your vision holds you steady. Your mind needs direction. Your vision gives it, bringing it together. So now you know the 4 pillars of your power hour. Mind, learn something new. Body, move and energize. Spirit, reflect and realign. Vision, imagine and program your future. Each pillar gets 15 minutes. Altogether, that's just 1 hour. 1 hour to build a better you. 1 hour to strengthen the roots of your life. 1 hour to step into the person you were born to be. And if you make this your daily ritual, if you treat it as non-negotiable, the rest of your day starts to rise with it. Section 3, how to make it stick. Now that you understand the why behind your power hour and you know what to do during it, let's get practical. Because knowledge alone won't change your life, habit will. You don't need motivation. You need a system that helps you show up every day, no matter what. So how do you make this 1 hour a day stick? Let's break it down into 4 powerful and practical strategies. 1, schedule it like it matters, because it does. You wouldn't casually try to show up to a meeting with your boss. You wouldn't hope to remember your flight time. You'd put it on your calendar. You'd block it off. You'd protect it. That's exactly how you need to treat your power hour, like it's non-negotiable. Choose a time that works for you. Maybe it's early in the morning before the world wakes up. Maybe it's during your lunch break. Maybe it's in the evening before bed. It doesn't matter when. What matters is consistency. Write it down, set an alarm, create a ritual around it. When you treat it with seriousness, your brain starts to take it seriously too. This hour is not extra, this is essential. 2, start small and win early. Don't try to be perfect. Don't aim for some cinematic power hour with candles, jazz music, and the perfect yoga mat. Start simple. Even 10 or 15 minutes a day at first is better than doing nothing for weeks. Your only goal in the beginning? Show up. Read 1 page, do 5 push-ups, sit in silence for 2 minutes. Write 1 sentence in your journal. It's not about intensity, it's about identity. Every small win whispers to your brain, this is who I am now. I keep promises to myself. And when you stack those small wins, your confidence grows and your habits start to harden. And before long, that 10 minutes grows into 20, then 30, then 60. But only if you start small and give yourself permission to be human. Here's a rule of life. Make good habits easy. Make bad habits hard. If it takes 20 minutes to find your book, charge your tablet, clear the space, roll out your mat, you've already lost the battle. Your brain is wired for convenience. Use that to your advantage. Set up your environment in a way that makes showing up easy. Keep your book and journal next to your bed. Lay out your workout clothes the night before. Use a dedicated playlist or timer to guide your session. Put your phone on airplane mode to stay distraction-free. If you have to rely on willpower every day, you'll burn out. But if your environment works for you, the habit almost builds itself. 4, track the streak, build the momentum. There's something powerful about visual progress. It speaks to your brain in a language it understands. Use a habit tracker, a calendar, a notebook. Each day you complete your power hour, or even part of it, mark it. Create a streak. And here's the trick. Don't break the chain. Even if you're tired, even if you're busy, even if life feels overwhelming, do something. 1 push-up, 1 page, 1 deep breath. Keep the identity alive, keep the streak moving. Because a 3-day streak turns into a 7-day streak, then 21, then 90. You've become a person of discipline, a person of intention, a person who doesn't negotiate with their greatness. That's the power of making it stick. Section 4, the compound effect. Why this works. It's not magic. It's not luck. It's something much more powerful and much more reliable. It's called the compound effect. Here's how it works. Small, smart choices plus consistency plus time, radical transformation. 1 hour every day just for you. Not to impress anybody, but to grow, to heal, to build, to rise. You already have what it takes. You've just been distracted from it. So here's your challenge. Starting tomorrow, block off 1 hour, call it your power hour. Decide what matters most, your body, your mind, your goals, and give it your full attention. Do it every day for the next 7 days, just 1 week, no excuses. Journal the change, feel the shift, and then keep going. Because when you take back control of your hour, you take back control of your day. And when you take back your days, it's time. This is your moment. The next chapter doesn't write itself. You write it 1 page at a time, 1 hour at a time. Let this be the beginning of your comeback, of your breakthrough, of your becoming. 1 hour, 1 day, 1 decision. That's all it takes to change everything. Now go give that hour your all. 1 hour every day just for you. Not to impress anybody, but to grow, to heal, to build, to rise. You already have what it takes. You've just been distracted from it. So here's your challenge. Starting tomorrow, block off 1 hour, call it your power hour. Decide what matters most, your body, your mind, your goals, and give it your full attention. Do it every day for the next 7 days, just 1 week, no excuses. Journal the change, feel the shift, and then keep going. Because when you take back control of your hour, you take back control of your day. And when you take back your days, it's time. This is your moment. The next chapter doesn't write itself. You write it 1 page at a time, 1 hour at a time. Let this be the beginning of your comeback, of your breakthrough, of your becoming. 1 hour, 1 day, 1 decision. That's all it takes to change everything. Now go give that hour your all.